Hello everyone. Welcome to our English story. This video will help kids and beginners learn English in a fun and easy way. If you like stories, cute characters, and learning English, please like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun English stories. Now, let's start our adventure.
Good morning! It's a beautiful day! Time to play! I'm ready for an adventure today. Look at the beautiful sunshine. What a beautiful day for a walk! I wonder what's around the corner. Hello, little bird! Wow, you're flying with me! Wow, a boat! Let's go! The sea is beautiful. This island is magic! Wow, the flowers are glowing! It's welcoming us! Hello! Do you want to be my friend? Meow. Yay! We're friends now! Meow. Sharing is caring! Look! A rainbow! You're so cute! Let's go explore! Home is the best place. Good night, sweet dreams.